What if the turmeric sitting in your kitchen right now isn't actually helping you at all? It sounds surprising, doesn't it? Most people use turmeric every day, thinking they're doing something good for their body. You might sprinkle it into your food or mix it into tea, hoping for better sleep or less pain. It feels like a healthy habit. But here's the truth. Turmeric on its own is very difficult for your body to absorb. So even if you're using it daily, you could be missing out on most of its real benefits. Now, here's the good news. With just a few small changes, you can unlock its full potential. And once you do, turmeric can become a powerful part of your nightly routine, helping your body relax, easing discomfort, and supporting deeper, more peaceful sleep. Let's start with something simple. If you have one specific area that bothers you at night, maybe your knee, your shoulder, or your lower back, you can actually use turmeric directly on the skin. A warm turmeric compress can gently calm that area and bring relief exactly where you need it. Just imagine lying down without that constant nagging discomfort pulling your attention away from sleep. Now, here's where things get really interesting. The biggest mistake people make with turmeric isn't how much they take. It's how they take it. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, but your body struggles to absorb it. On its own, it's like a key that doesn't quite fit the lock. The solution? Black pepper. Just a small pinch can dramatically increase how much turmeric your body actually uses. When you combine the two, everything changes. Suddenly, turmeric becomes far more effective, working from within instead of simply passing through your system. Now, if you're looking for a calming nighttime ritual, golden milk is one of the most soothing options. A warm cup made with turmeric, milk, a hint of cinnamon, ginger, and that tiny pinch of black pepper can feel incredibly comforting. It's more than just a drink. It's a signal to your body that it's time to slow down, unwind, and prepare for rest. For those who struggle with waking up during the night, especially for bathroom trips, there's another simple approach. Taking pumpkin seed oil along with turmeric and black pepper in the evening may help support your body over time. It's not an instant fix, but with consistency, many people begin to notice fewer interruptions during the night. And then there's the most powerful method of all, the golden paste. This is where everything comes together. Turmeric, black pepper, and a healthy fat combined into one concentrated mixture that your body can absorb much more effectively. Think of it as the upgraded version of everything we've talked about. Just a small amount each evening can go a long way in supporting your body's natural balance. Now, to get the best results, timing matters. Keep your liquid intake light before bed. Take your turmeric about 90 minutes before sleeping. And avoid drinks that might wake you up later. These small adjustments can make a surprisingly big difference. But here's the most important part. You don't need to do everything at once. Just choose one method, the one that feels easiest, the one you know you can stick with. Try it for a few nights and simply pay attention to how you feel when you wake up. Because sometimes it's not about doing more. It's about doing one simple thing the right way. And that's the heart of the Golden Rest Guide, helping you build small, meaningful habits that lead to deeper, calmer, and more restorative sleep.